So this is how it sounded before. Not bad, but it just didn't feel right. The car looked mean, but the exhaust didn't match it. I wanted to change that ever since I bought the car, to give it a sound that actually fits the booster engine. I didn't want to buy something off the shelf, I wanted something custom. So I asked a friend if he could help me make it happen. He just bought a welding machine, so it was perfect timing. First step, getting the old one off. Surprisingly, it came off pretty easy. Then came the cutting, and that part always feels risky. Once you start, there is no going back. My friend handled all the welding, and honestly, watching him work was awesome. Everything had to line up perfectly, every angle, every joint. We spent hours cutting, fitting, and redoing. I mostly filmed, tried to not get burned, and made sure we caught every spark. There's something satisfying about seeing all those pieces slowly become one. Finally, it was all together. Welds done, pipes lined up, everything sitting just right. All that was left was to fire up and hear if that was worth it. The first startup. That sound said everything. We build something that fits the car perfectly.